I know it wastes time, but baby, you'll be fine. You'll be fine, 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 fine.
It is Wednesday, April the 27th, and the boys are painting.
Oh, where do you
It's a form of painting. It is magic paint posters. It's the Spider-Man version. All you need is Q-tips and water. I've been doing activities like this lately for the boys because all they need is water and the paint just kind of comes with it so that it can be an easy cleanup. So that's a really cool idea for all of the mothers with younger children. I can't even see. It's so dark. Well, so light. Khalil's first baseball game. I turned up the brightness on my phone. There he go. He got the red mitten on. Yeah, you see bro man? Khalil got his hat turned backwards. He is so cool. Go Khalil. Kiki. Get it, buddy. Oh. Oh. You got this, buddy. Okay. It's all right. It's all right, buddy. Good job. Uh-oh. So this is day 2 of Khalil's baseball game. Look at him. Kiki, what are you doing?
baseball game, yeah.
Kingy.
Where's a good? Yeah, look at it.
Oh. Hi.
Hi.
Hi.